Hey all, this is Jellyfish, and we're playing Road Trip. The traffic is too heavy. You'll need to what? Let me go out. Oh, I need to jump on other cars. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. One motorcycles. Okay. All right. So up here, onto the police car. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. So we're playing Road Trip, and on the road. Come on the boat. Okay. Set a car here. That. Onto the fire truck. Come on, we can do this. Okay. That's it. Wrap up. We're supposed to do something else? No? Okay, done. I guess just stand here. Time remaining 5 seconds. 2, 1. Done. Okay, next level. What are we doing? We're boarding our not station wagon. Oh, okay, so we have a pizza gun. Let me shoot some pizza. Have some pizza, guys. Have some pizza. Here we go. Plenty of pizza for everybody. Here, here, here. Nom, 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 nom. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Oh, you like it? Here, here. Pizza, 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 pizza for everybody. You like the pizza? I like the pizza. Okay, food bag. Okay, what does it say here? All of the aimless wandering has made your clones hungry. You could use some snack. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Okay, where's my clone? Oh, here's my clone. Hey, hello, my clone. Okay, okay, I need a pear for you, my clone. Okay, you need cola. So how do I give you a pear? Okay. I'm stuck. Get me out. Let me out. Okay, where's my soda stand? Soda, where are you? Your hot dogs. Okay. Where's it going? Oh, soda's here. Give me the coin. Give me the coin. Okay, soda stand. Give me a soda. I don't want two soda. Okay, where's my guy that wants soda? What's here? Okay. Come on. Okay, give you here. Have a soda. Soda for you. Want a pear for you. Are you happy? There you go. Okay, what about you? Soda. Here's a soda. Take a soda. Take a soda. Have a soda here. Where else? Ah! Couldn't even give my soda. What the heck is this? Okay, off the boarding. Bound 28 minutes to the second site. Okay. Look at that. Ooh, giant screen TV. Bubblies on the ceiling. Woohoo. Oh, another giant TV with big speakers. Woohoo. Okay. Skirt. Okay, screen it. Okay, 7 seconds. Throw party. Add a map into the queue. Okay, whatever. Okay, we arrive. Everybody off. What does it say? You have 20 seconds to run and hide. Brace yourself. Okay. Hide where? There's a coin up there. Okay, so I have no clue what I'm doing. So dark. Somebody turn on the light. Wow, Jason's coming. I don't even know if I'm running somewhere. Jason is coming. I can't see anything. Somebody turn on the light. If Jason's coming, he'll eat me. That's it. There seems to be a coin there. I got a coin. I only see my gun. Are you following the hole? Am I dead? 46 seconds? I have no clue where I am. The only thing I know it's dark and Jason is coming. Oh, shh! Don't make any noise. I think you'll find us. Shh! We have 30 seconds to go. Is he somewhere? I don't see him. 18 seconds. I can't even look up and down, sideways or whatever. I'm like lost and it's dark and oh, come on, just don't eat me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Departing. Woo! Yes, I survived. Jason didn't eat me. Well, hack me, chop me. Okay, but I didn't get any coins. Oh, party! Woohoo! It's the party! Off pink flamingo and pineapples. Ooh, food. Nom 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 nom. Everything's gone. Shop. Trails. Ocean cave. Yeah, it's too expensive. I 31 coins. Okay. Take the skies and explore treasure-filled islands. Okay. Stop singing all the time. Okay. Give me a glider. Okay. There you go. Woohoo! Click to glide. Okay. I'm not. What's happening to me? Hello? There you go. Whee! Come on, up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up! You're so bad at this. Up, up, up. Up, up. Glide that way. Okay. Oh, there's a treasure there. Whoo! $1 million. Oh, I got a coin. Whoop-de-doo. 1 coin. Could you be like a little bit more, not as cheap? Come on, let's go up. Higher, higher. Come on. We need to find more treasure. Where all the treasure? Oh, there's a treasure there. And there seems to be a diamond there. Is it a diamond? Is that a checkpoint? What is it? It's not doing anything. I click on it. I clicked on it. What it does, whatever that does. Okay. There you go. Treasure. Oh, yay. 2 coins. Whee! Treasure Island. Give me money, 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 money. Show me the money. Woohoo! More money for me. One more treasure chest here. Any more treasure chests? Should I jump? Click to glide. Okay. I'm gliding, but I'm not going anywhere. Hello? Up. Hello? I'm just standing there. I'm running on water. Okay. How weird is that? There you go. Oh well, done. What's next? Come on. Okay, where are we going now, guys? Hello, where are we going? Okay, 21 seconds. Hello. Here's my pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza for everybody here. Plenty of pizza. Pepperoni pizza for everyone. Hey, hey, bus driver, what are you doing? You like my pizza? Hello, let me go down. I want to. Okay. You've reached your final destination. I'm afraid your journey must end here. Okay, here's my sword. Come on. Chop, chop. Who am I killing? Oh, chop the hand. Chop the hand. Chop the hand. Chop, 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 chop the hand. Chop the hand. Chop, chop, chop the hand. No, it's the Mario hand. Come back here so we can chop you. Give me a laser gun or something. Are you smacking somebody? Oh, pointing somebody. No, come back here. I need to chop you. Chop, chop, chop. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come here, come here. Don't go over there. Where are you hiding? Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yo! I'm not letting you swap me. No. Come on. Chop you, chop you. Oh, we can stand on this. Okay, chop, chop. Chop, chop. Move out of the way. We don't care to fall in here. Thank you. I thought we would fall. Oh, here we see punching somebody. Oh. Come back here. Smack you. Smack, 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 smack. I don't trust you, evil hand. Come on, come here. Chop, 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 chop. Ooh, he's swatting everybody. Come back here. Your evil hands. Let me chop you, chop, chop, chop. I don't trust you, hand. Come here. It's taking forever. Oh, I don't trust you. You're swatting people. Okay, come back here. Come on. Yeah, come on. Take that, take that, take that, take that, take that. I don't trust you, hand. Evil. Flee! He's swatting everybody. And he's gonna come back. Come on. Take that, and that, and that. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's over. We didn't kill the hand. All right, guys. That was Road Trip. I hope you enjoyed it. And this is Jellyfish signing off. And I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe.